Week 1 Acquisition. Looking ahead. This week will give you an understanding of the purpose of the customer acquisition. What will be learned? Data flows for acquisitions pipelines, traffic sources, activation conversions, onboarding campaigns for customer base, cohorts discovery, and segments mastering. You will be able to discover customer acquisition journeys, make activation and onboarding campaigns, and make valuable insights based on that. Let's fill your study backpack. At first, it is recommended to look at recommended data sources for your job and ask about additional data sources. Usually, you will have some set of relational databases that you can query with SQL or Google Analytics data, or sometimes Excel spreadsheets. All this data needs to be organized and synchronized into a pipeline that will allow you to build some insights and conclusions based on that tool. What we can check is whether we store data about or some sample of it. What acquisition channels does the company have? What is the distribution between channels or platforms? What channel of communications does the company have? Phone calls, emails, social media marketing. Aim. Our goal for that week is to create a sufficient analytical pipeline that will allow us to make a data-driven process on optimizing the acquisition funnel, being able to find growth points from customer journeys, define important key metrics, and support that with code. Later, step by step, we can make the structure richer and larger. There we can find various tracks, look at data through different layers, and calculate different acquisition paths for new and existing customers.